Scanning.
In this video, we are going to track my friend Steven's BMW E46, which is on its last legs. It needs a clutch. The engine is in a less than desirable state of health, and we're gonna see what happens if it survives the track day, notably if it will survive the winter following the track day. And we're gonna have some fun. So let's get started. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are tracking my friend Steven's BMW E46 330xi, which you know on the channel. This car's been in several videos, more than that probably at this point. But there's a big problem with this BMW E46, and that is that it's on its last leg. The motor is not reading that great of compression. Well, it's like okay, but burns a lot of oil. Yeah, wait, Steven knows best. It's a constant cylinder 2 misfire.
Yeah, it's definitely low on power and torque. It's not really liking heavy throttle, but we're gonna send it as it is.
Yeah, wait, you said you put in about a quart every 1,000 miles?
About, yeah.
Yeah, so the engine is not a happy camper. It's an M54 with 14,000 miles on it that has, I'm not gonna say it wasn't treated not well, but Steven has not been nice to this car in the past 100,000 miles. And the clutch is also slipping. That might actually cause issues to the track because sometimes when the motor gets warm, the clutch slips pretty badly. But we're gonna send it for the track because my car can't go to the track because the window regulator doesn't work. I will be driving that car so that if this one blows up at the track, we have a ride home. And I say blow up, it's not gonna blow up, but it might just, you know, cease to work. That could happen. The track day is at Gingerman Raceway, which we've been to a few times, and Sparky. It's a track day that the Topher has invited us to every year, which is pretty awesome. I'm glad they invites us out to those. So it'll be 5 hours of basically open track day. So it'll be a good time. Right now, we are reinstalling, more specifically Steven at this moment, and I'll be helping him in a second, the rear sway bar because somebody has been driving around without a rear sway bar for like a month or two.
It's a lot of fun.
Oh God. Don't worry guys, we have traction. You know what though, the clutch is not a happy camper. Can we try to slide it into gear? It goes, but it's not happy about it. We went up to Michigan State the night before the track day to hang out with some friends and to be closer to the track the following day. Well past midnight, we were out looking for Taco Bell. Then this happened.
Thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you. Yep. Genuine reaction.
I knew it, dude.
No.
Oh my God.
Sonny, I wonder how this Taco Bell's looking right now. This is a great day. What time is it again? It's like 3 in the morning.
Turn left, then turn right.
With daylight savings.
Yeah, but like,
This is an interesting little side quest we've gone on today. You're now at Gingerman Raceway. It's an open track day the whole day, so we're just gonna go out and see what the car does.
fingers crossed.
He's not confident at all. I feel like pretty good about this. He's the owner.
We're gonna be smelling a lot of burnt clutch today. That's my suspicion.
He thinks the clutch is gonna go out. I think we'll be fine. We'll see what happens. But super excited to be out here. It's all your first time out here, yeah?
First time in Gingerman.
Okay, his first time here. It's like my 3rd or 4th. I can't remember. So
Yep.
yeah, we got the heat on right now, which
feels good because it's a little cool out today.
we're doing it to keep the motor cool, but it also keeps us warm.
Scanning.
Ooh, 6 codes.
Fun.
Coolant thermostat. Hey, there's that cylinder 2 misfire, and then that is just the secondary air pump delete, and then catless headers.
I don't see clutch on there.
Okay.
The clutch is fine.
Yeah, the clutch is great, guys. Everything is fine.
Go.
So let's just clear all these. Yeah, there it goes.
Howdy.
Howdy. Helmet tied?
Helmet's tight. No, it's not.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Wow.
happened?
He's forgetting. Hey, he stalled. He
Oh
forgot
my
to turn off
God.
trash control. He forgot to tighten his helmet.
Do you know what happens if you don't tie your helmet on the back straightaway?
You die.
The vacuum of the speed you're going down will suck your helmet off, and then it rips your earlobes off. So what they do is they surgically take your toenails, the
Yeah.
skin, and they flip it inside out into earlobes. And they stick them back on your earlobes. So now your feet hurt when you
Aw,
walk,
I
and
don't
when
want
you
that.
hear it hurts. So it's very bad.
Not
so
good, very
you want
bad.
to make sure you have your helmet on so it doesn't blow off.
Right, yep.
So. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm
You're
all
ready
set.
too?
I'm ready.
All right. How many times are you gonna stall it?
Hopefully 0 more times.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Yay!
There we go. Honestly, use third gear for like this whole track. The clutch will be fine because we don't have to shift.
Yes, no shifting required.
No shifting required, dude.
The car took my beating well, then Steven drove a lot. Eventually, our other friend Steven's E46 M3 steering started making this lovely noise.
Oh yeah. Your wheels aren't even turning.
I know.
I do it again.
No, your wheels aren't turning. Oh.
Ah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Ah.
Comment down below if you know this issue. Then we went back out to abuse this car some more.
This car smells like burning oil constantly.
And fuel sometimes.
Sometimes fuel, but mostly oil. Hello, there we go. I missed the brake pedal, that's what just happened. Rah, okay. Front end pull when you get on power. It's actually really nice. No heat steering wheel though.
I wish.
He wishes.
Maybe we'll get one in the future.
We'll
No,
up the
not
budget by like $10.
Yeah, let's try a Temu heated steering wheel.
Temu.
Mod. Yeah. Think that'll work?
It survived. It
We
survived
made
the
it.
track day. We made it. Towards the end, the last session, we were getting some throttle cut out, which we think it might have just been low on fuel.
But the needle was barely under half a tank of gas, so we're gonna have to figure this one out.
Yeah, we don't know what's going on with that, but for the most part, the car survived. Clutch didn't explode. The engine is still burning,
Still burning oil.
the same amount of oil as it did at the start of the day. Yeah, we're good. So, like the video, subscribe, comment down below, all that good stuff, and
See you soon.
we'll see you soon. We're gonna have an update on this car very soon, so that might be the next video. Maybe.